Hi everyone, I'm Robert with Synergistic. If you're at Lincoln or Glen, this is your new thermostat. Most of you know how these work, but the two features that are new this year that I know everyone loves, number one, you get to find out the temperature of your room. That's the big number. Number two, you get to adjust the temperature of your room over here on the right. The date and the time are at the top. Super easy. If you want to change the temperature in your room, you just use one of these buttons. As you can tell, it's set for 76. The room temperature 75.5. All I do is lower it. And let's say I want to lower it down to 72. Then you'll see this change to 72. And that's the new room temperature. And you see that the AC came on and it's going to begin to cool the room. The way to tell that your unit is off is by the word unoccupied. That means this unit is off. This little icon at the bottom is your override button. When you press that, it'll turn it to override. The word override will appear, and then you have an extra hour of AC. If you need to adjust the temperature, do that over here, and that's your override button. And finally, if your room is uncomfortable, it's not working properly, or if you need to schedule AC for an event, just email your secretary. They'll get in touch with us, and we'll take care of it for you. Have a great year.